What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. Finishing up here at the workplace today. Got a last minute call to go to Anderson. They're having practice tonight, so we're going to finish up here, get out the door, get headed down the road. Y'all hold on. Been a little warm here in Georgia this week. We're going to go ahead and hop in the truck, get headed off, go get the trailer and truck. We'll be headed to Anderson Speedway. Get headed on up out of the workplace, rush home. See if we can't get on the road. Hopefully that rain will stay away. We need to really try out this new carburetor, and hopefully Fred went today to Racing Radios. He was off and still on vacation. He went to Racing Radios today and got us something that'll hopefully fix our radio problems for good. So we really want to go try out both of them tonight before we head off to Hickory Speedway on Saturday. I'm usually that guy that rides in the right lane at 55 miles an hour running the speed limit, but not today. Got to go. Got to hurry up, get to the racetrack. Neighbor don't get out of the way, we're going to give him the bumper. Get this thing backed up and hooked up, and we get headed that direction. Done. People want to see behind the scenes stuff that goes unnoticed. Stuff like this right here. Here it is, back it up to pick it up. Get on in here and see what Fred's doing. That fan, man, that fan feels good. Nowhere to be found, Fred. Old Fred, where did you go? What are you doing, playing hide and seek? I didn't see you.
I'm putting them radio back in here.
Thing needs a washing. This thing load up before them storms get here. Get it as close as we can. Might be a little too close, doing a little rubbing. UPS bringing us race car parts? Nope, just using it as a turnaround. Maybe he'll like, comment, and subscribe at least. Hopefully this piece right here will fix our problems. Fred said the guy at Racing Radio said if this don't work, we'll have to upgrade the radios. Man, this thing needs a wash. Bad part of having an open trailer. One of the few bad parts. Coming back from Virginia to here, ain't had time to wash it. Got everything loaded up. Fred finishing the last strapping. It's starting to sprinkle now. Hopefully the rain will hold off. And but one way to find out, we can get on up the road. Maybe it won't be raining in South Carolina. All right, we get headed on up out of here. Anybody that's ever been in a hurry knows how it goes. I've been turned the truck off and turned it back on 4 times. Forgot this, forgot that. We're leaving in a hurry in the rain. So hopefully an hour and 10-minute drive to Anderson, South Carolina. The radar looked like it was clear there, so we really need to practice. So we're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. It's starting to come down good, but I see a little bit of ray of sunshine ahead towards the South Carolina way. So hopefully that's a silver lining for us. I'm glad we decided to come. We got on up the road just a little piece, and it's just as dry as could be. Hopefully it'll stay that way the whole way there. Just see it. So if this radio fixture don't work, what we going to do, Fred?
He said you had to upgrade the car radio. If the antenna don't work, then you're gonna have to buy a $400 radio, another $400 radio that'll go in the car.
What if that don't work?
And if that don't work, we're just gonna have to buy chalkboards and chalk and put one person in each corner and let you know what's going on.
There you, Maurice Petty. Uh-oh, Fred, we back in it again. Be a little passing across the county or whatnot. We still got about another 20 minutes to the state line, so hopefully it'll be clear on the other side of it. Just past the Carnesville go-kart dirt track, and we're back to blue skies again. Hopefully it'll stay that way the rest of the way. We're getting free car washes if nothing else. Made it to the Palmetto State.
That's heavy rain right there.
We'll drive through it too. What you hear, Fred? Just like that, 10 minutes later, sunshine again. Fred, this is about a game at this point.
Yeah, right in Georgia. Wait a minute. Yeah.
Just hold on a second and the weather will change. Made it to the Anderson Motor Speedway exit, and it starts to drizzle. So Fingers crossed. Turned into the racetrack. Drizzle done quit. Fred just informed me that he wants to learn the Applebee's Fancy Like song. If y'all want to see Fred do the TikTok dance, y'all comment below. We'll see if he can be fancy like Applebee's on this date night. Here we are for another night at Anderson. Get signed in and checked in, go make us some laps. I think it's $15 a person tonight.
I thought it was free.
Yeah, you thought wrong, Fred. You gotta make money, man. Rolling into Anderson Speedway. Looks like there's another Boo Dalton's here. Must be getting ready for the limited race. Made it to Anderson. It ain't raining. Me and Fred gonna go ahead and get this thing jacked up and unload them. Get jumped in, see if its carburetor works and these radios work. Our antenna made it, so that's always a plus. I'm kind of worried about it coming down the road. But y'all hold on. Get a little oil pressure, get a little heat in the motor. Make sure everything's good, do a leak check on that carburetor, and then we'll be good to go make some laps. Little 602 talking today. Well, we made it here, got everything looks good. Did a leak check. We're about to go out and make some laps, so y'all hold on. Went out first practice. I'm pretty sure that our brake problem's back. Real soft pedal. Only made a couple laps. Didn't know what was going on, so pretty sure that's what it is. We're gonna take a peek at the master cylinder now, see if we can't figure it out. Got fluid in it?
Floor ain't wet.
It's just a little low. Gonna add a little bit. We ain't come set no records.
No, we just come to make
What do you think about those F50s?
jumps.
Well, that'll put a wrap on our practice session. Brakes got better, carburetor's good, radios work phenomenal now. But we're gonna go ahead and get loaded up. Y'all hold on and find out where we'll be this weekend. Go ahead and get loaded up. Grab a wheel, Fred. I'll push back. You smart ass. Gotta have fun.
What I was told you said grab a wheel. You said what to do with it. You said grab it.
Get the cable stretched out for the winch. Leaving somewhat happy. Ralph Thorne's out practicing. They're racing here Friday night, limited late model.
After you plug that up. Arrow.
Yeah. And that's what fixed our problem. Antenna and that contraption. Said some cars have troubles with these radios, and I guess we're one of them, but I'm glad that fixed it. Gonna be a new world out there being able to hear the whole time. Cut yourself every time you get near that thing. You're gonna need to go get a shot tomorrow on your day off. You'll be fine. He'll put some dirt on. Good, Fred. Ready to ride? Clyde?
Let's dance, kid.
10-4. Let's get on up out of here. Take a look at Justin Sutherland going by. Another limited late model competitor for Friday night. Well, that's going to wrap it up for us here at Anderson Motor Speedway. This Saturday we'll be at Hickory Motor Speedway. Saturday, July 10th. Be running they got twin 20s, so we'll be running twin feature Saturday night. As long as the weather holds off, that's our plans to go there. Real happy with the way the day went. Old sourpuss looking face here, he's happy too. He's got a radio, but tell him what to do, Fred.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
We'll catch y'all next time.